Established in 2003, Shenzhen Nankaisheng Power Technology Company Limited, NKS, is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to R&D, manufacture, and sale of power cable accessories up to 220 kilovolts. It is a well-known brand of cable accessories in China and also serves many overseas customers. Main products include pre-molded, cold-shrinkable, heat-shrinkable cable termination and joints, screen separable connectors, Busbar connectors, GIS plug-in terminations, composite sleeve termination, intelligent high-voltage grounding boxes, epoxy bushings, surge arresters, etc. NKS has now developed into one of the comprehensive manufacturing